Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this Ford Fiesta, not our usual stock. It's come in part exchange, but it's had the wet belt done, which is a very expensive thing to have done, which needs doing on one of these. It's over £1,000. That's all been done. It's just going to be serviced and MOT'd as well. Nice little car, good condition. Leaving black paintwork. It's got satellite navigation as well. Boot area's in nice. Got the rear parcel shelf. Electric windows, mirrors. The Zetec S interior. Starched up for you. Starts and sounds lovely. It's got, as I said, satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, AUX and a USB. At DJH, we do provide full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.